Hi everybody, I'm Mauricio Fontalvo and I'm going to talk about my family. In this photo are my parents. My father is Edinson Fontalvo. He is 59 years old and he is very strict in his things. He is older than me and my mother is shorter than him. My mother's name is Ana Balcázar and she is 67 years old. She is very pretty. In the photo, I am taller than Bob and we are happy. In this last photo, we are my family and me. My wife's name is Cindy Diaz. She is 31 years old and she is the love of my life. She is fatter than me and so I like it. My daughter is smaller than us and her name is Isabella. She has longer hair than mine. Well, see you soon. Bye.